Hello everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video tutorial, and today's video will be about how to create your first WordPress website step by step. And this tutorial will help a lot beginner to create their own website on WordPress. So in this video I'll try to make it as a 4-part video. So in the first title will be how to connect your domain name with your hosting server, and the second will be about how to install WordPress on your server, your hosting, and third, how to install your WordPress theme, and finally some plugin that you must have on your WordPress website. So you can select any part you want to start with in the description, guys. So let's start our video. So first, guys, I will navigate to my hosting provider. I have a hosting account on Namecheap. It doesn't matter whatever company you have, they have the same basics, the same platforms, basically the same. So open your cPanel and here go over the domain, your domain name, name servers. So here, as you can see, here is the name servers. So if you have if your hosting provider are in a different company than your domain name registrar, all you need to do is pick up the name server from your domain name and from your hosting provider, and then plus them here, name server 1 and name server 2. I don't need that because I have the domain name and the server, both the hosting, both from one company, so they provide an option to connect the domain with your hosting directly, as you can see, Namecheap web hosting DNS. So I don't need to enter the name server 1 or the name server 2. But if you have your as I said, if your hosting and domain are from different company, you need to enter your name server 1 and name server 2. So, and all you need to do is click on save, guys, and it's done. Then try to test your website to see if your website is connected. Fix it free. If you already have here some text about your hosting, so it is done. Your domain is connected with your server. If you have the page that the domain name isn't available, I will show you the page. If you have this page, that means that your domain is not connected. So that's how you connect your domain with your server or your hosting. And one more thing, guys, sometimes you will have a problem connecting your domain name with your server, especially if it isn't the first time that you use this domain. If you already use it on previous hosting and you want to migrate your domain to another hosting. So how to fix the problem? Basically, it is very easy. All you need to do is copy this IP address, as you can see here, the IP address of your hosting, and search for Notepad here and open this as administrator. Here click yes, and here on file click on open, and here, as you can see, go to this directory, this PC, local C, Windows, system 32, driver, UTC, and then here select all file and open the hosts file, as you can see. And here I already set this in my hosts file, and that is the solution, guys. So plus your IP address here, and then plus your domain name without www, and here the full domain name within the www and the dot and .com. And this is the solution for the problem if your domain name doesn't want to migrate from your old server and still attach it to your old server. This is the solution, guys. So right now, guys, the domain is attached into our hosting. So let's install WordPress now. In order to install WordPress, guys, all you need to do is first add in the domain name to your cPanel. In order to add your domain name to cPanel, just go over domains, as you can see, and here create a new domain. Here add your domain, fixitfree.com, and click on submit. Wait a moment, and as you can see now the domain is created. Let's open up the domain name. So right now, to install our WordPress, go ahead into cPanel dashboard and search for WordPress. As you can see, here is the WordPress, and you need to click on install. As you can see here, you can select your version of WordPress that you want install, and here the protocol, if you want HTTP or HTTPS, or if you want it to appear with 3W or without 3W. So let's set it like this, and here you'll find your domain name. Select your domain name, make sure to select your domain name, and here, guys, if you set up something here in the directory, for example, if I set up something like WP or new or something, for example WP, that means that all your link will be like this, will be https fixitfree and then /wp, and this can block your link if you plan to immigrate your website at the future, or so it's better that you leave this blank. And here your website name, your site description. You can fill out all this when you finish creating your website. Here you can set up your admin username and your password. So let's set the admin, as you can see, fixitfree, for example, and the password, here is my password, and here the languages. Let's generate a new password, and here, guys, you have the admin email. So here is my email and the language you want your platform to be, and here there are some extension if you want to install some extension. Here I prefer this WP Super Cache more than this W3, so that's good. And here, guys, you can select your theme. If you have a custom theme or a premium theme, just ignore this and select any theme here, and then all you need to do is click on install. Here you can put up your email to receive the installation detail. directly to your email. So wait for some time in order for the WordPress to be installed. So now the WordPress is successfully installed. Here is your administrative URL, as you can see. So right now guys, we'll go over how to install your WordPress theme. So as you can see, here is my detail, here is my administrative URL. So go over your dashboard. In this dashboard you can control everything about your website. Here as you can see, you have this bar here when you can create posts, you can upload some media, video and image and music, and here to create page 2. This is the section for the comments, and here is the section for the appearance and the theme, and here is the section for the plugin, and here the section for the user and admins and all the members on your website. So let's focus on appearance and theme. So here when you click on theme, you have here an option to add a new theme. Those are the default theme installed on your WordPress website. You can also click on add new to add a new theme. And here WordPress automatically will redirect you to their platform where they have thousands of free themes, as you can see. So here you can set your theme as featured, popular, last, favorite, and there is a lot of filter to find which theme you want, and those themes are basically free. You can preview the theme before installing it. Here as you can see, you can preview the theme and see how it's looking look like on your website. If you like the theme, you can click on install directly and then click on activate. Wait some time, you will have activate here and click on it. So now this theme is activated. Let's see our final result. fixifree.com. So as you can see, here is the theme, how it's look like on my website. So as you can see guys, here is the theme, how it's looking like on my website, and it's looking good. It just needs some modifications like customizing the menu and the widget here. So in order to customize your theme, all you need to do is click on this little icon, customize, and here you have a lot of options. You have options for the theme, the typography, that means the fonts that you want to use on this theme. You can here select your fonts that you want to change the fonts of titles on your theme. Here as you can see, and there is a part for layout, slider, service. Just check out all those boxes, and here is the menu. So here to change the menu here, as you can see, and the menu at the bottom also there is a place for menus. So view all location, here you can see all the menu available. So there is a primary menu and the footer menu and the social links. As you can see, here is the social links. So you can edit this by simply select the menu that you want and click on edit the menu. to edit. Here you can replace any term in it anywhere you want, like this. And here you can change this if you wanted to. You can remove it by clicking here. You can add some new menu if you want it to be like a page or tag or contact. So that's it, guys. It's very easy. And one more thing, guys, if you have a premium theme and you want to add it to your platform, then all you need to do is go over your dashboard and go over appearance, and here you'll find theme again at the same place that we was before. And here click on add new. And again, guys, don't focus now on this because we have a premium theme that we want to add, so we will upload it onto our PC, as you can see. So click on upload. This little box will appear. Choose the file here, and then click on the folder of your theme. As you can see, I bought this theme on Theme Forest, and this is perfect for videos. It's a theme designed especially for videos, to embed videos on this theme. So here search for the folder of theme here, as you can see, and there is two. You will have two zip file. You will have your theme and your theme child, as you can see. The name of my theme is Vlogger, so you can see Vlogger and Vlogger child. So upload first Vlogger and install now. So here is the theme. If you want to buy it, the name of the theme is Vlogger theme. It's available on Theme Forest, as you can see. It's very special, and what I like about it is it's designed for videos, especially videos. I will post my video on the platform. As you can see, it's all about videos, and all this is about videos. And here the theme was installed successfully, and the last thing you will do is just click on activate. So here, as you can see, I have a lot of them right now on my WordPress hosting, and this will cause more space used within those themes. So I don't use this anymore, so let's delete those themes. And this is how you can delete the theme. I cannot delete the theme that I use actually. If you want to delete the actual theme, switch to another theme, and then you'll have the button delete here. So right now, guys, let's put our hand on some must-have WordPress plugin that we need for our website, and let's go to install any plugin. All you need to do is go over the section plugin and go to add new. So here, guys, as you can see, the first plugin that we need for our WordPress website is already on the first page, Jetpack. This plugin is for having all the analytics and traffic, and who is visiting your website, how much traffic you have. So that's the first plugin that you need. So in order to configure this plugin, all you need to do is click on setup Jetpack, and then I already have an account, so I just need to click on approve. as you can see. If you don't have an account, just set up your email and password and verify your account, and start where you will have some plans. You can start with the free plans and then upgrade if you like their service. So the second plugin that you need is Yoast SEO. As you can see, and you can see that this plugin has been installed more than 5 million times. So that will show you the importance and of this plugin. Yoast SEO, using Yoast SEO will help you with anything related to the SEO and ranking your pages. This can fix all your blog problem, and also Yoast SEO generate your sitemap, and it classify all your article on this sitemap and provide the sitemap to Google. And to set up your Yoast SEO, you need to go over General. It's very easy. And here go over Webmaster Tool and add the Google verification code here. As you can see, to add the Google verification code, click on this link, Google Search Console. And here guys, the Google will ask you to verify your property within one of those 4 methods here. So select one method and click on verify, and then you will get the code, and automatically if you verified your property, you will have the code of Google here, verification code here. So let's go over the final plugin that you need for your website. So plugin and then add new. Here you will need also Updraft Plus WordPress Backup plugin, as you can see. So all you need to do here is click on install again and activate. So what this plugin about? This plugin will help you for taking backup of your website. You can set up the plugin to take backups automatically at any time you want, and you can set up how much time you want this plugin to take backups a day, 1 time a day or 2 a day. So to take backup using this plugin, all you need to do is go over settings, and here you will find Updraft Plus Backup here at the bottom. Click on it, and this will drive you to their platform. Here you need first to adjust some settings. Here how you want to take backup. You want it to be manual or every 2 hours, daily, weekly, as you want. So I want it to be manual, and retain this manually backup 1 and 1. So set up those settings as you like, guys. And here if you want to set up a remote storage, so if you don't want to download those backup to your PC, you just want to store those backup into any remote storage here, Dropbox or Google Drive or OneDrive, anywhere you want. Here select the file that you want to include on the backup. Don't forget to select all those files. Make sure to select those files. And one more thing, guys, that it is important: how much megabyte. show expert settings. So to go over there, go to expert settings and click on show expert settings here, and here split archive every 400 megabyte. So if you set up here for example 20 megabyte and your website is about 2 gigabyte, you will have a lot of file. You will have more than 100 file. So make sure to set up this to be fitting with your website, to be at the same size of your website. Just make sure to remember these settings, because if you have any problem downloading your backup, just go ahead and check out those settings, because sometimes in default settings they set it up as 25 megabyte, and when your website get bigger you'll have multiple files. Sometimes you'll have more than 100 files, and it's very hard to download all those files to your PC. So just make sure to change this into whatever value you want, and click save. So that's it guys, and those are the three plugins that you need on your website. The Jetpack, and also don't forget to install a plugin for the cache. You can install this plugin for example and just see. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give me a like and a comment if you have any issue or faced any issue or anything during the installation. Just give me a comment and I'm ready to help you, and thank you guys.